Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we discuss about argument coercion in function prototypes and the usual arithmetic conversion rule. One of the important features of function prototyping is argument coercion, that is, implicitly converting arguments to the appropriate type. For example, I have this function square root, and this square root function is going to take a float number as the argument, and it will also return a float value. And as you can see here in the printf statement, instead of a float value, I have used an integer value, and this is still okay because at the end of the day, this function is going to return a correct value for me, even though I have passed an integer value to this function. And that's because a float type number represents a wider range of values compared to integers. And it would be okay if I pass an integer and this integer will be converted into a float, and at the end the return value of this function is going to be float for me in this printf statement. So in general, argument values that do not correspond precisely to the function prototype parameter types are converted to the proper type before the function is called. Such conversions can lead to incorrect results if C's usual arithmetic conversion rules are not followed. So for this type of situations that I discussed before, we have the C's usual arithmetic conversion rules, and we need to follow those rules so that when converting values from one type to another, we do not lose any data. And that's it for this episode. Stay tuned as we are going to cover the usual arithmetic conversion rules in the coming episodes.